Dear users, we are excited to present to you a next-generation product in the Ultima ecosystem, the Ultima Trading platform. This platform offers automated trading bots designed for spot trading of the TPTU USDT pair on various crypto exchanges. In this guide, we'll explain how the trading bot works using an example. How Ultima Trading works. To start earning profit, you need to purchase a license and connect your exchange account to the bot. It will trade using preset algorithms and generate profit for you. To get started, you need to create an account on one of the available cryptocurrency exchanges and fund it. Detailed instructions on creating an account on MEXC or MEXC can be found in the Help Center in the Exchanges section. Each Ultima Trading bot license has a maximum profit limit that the bot can generate. Step 1. Purchasing a license. Log in to the Ultima Trading platform. On the left side, you will see a button labeled How It Works. Click it to get information on how the platform operates. Go to the Bot Licenses section. Here, you will find detailed information about the platform and the licenses available for purchase. There are 7 types of licenses, each differing in price, and the percentage of profit the bot will generate before it stops working. Each bot also shows the recommended deposit amount for the exchange. You can purchase an unlimited number of licenses. Upgrading a license is not possible in the new version of the product. Each bot will work independently of others, and on the exchange, you choose for it. Each bot has its own dashboard, and you can individually stop any bot using the Stop Bot button. To purchase a license, click the Purchase button. A payment method selection window will open. Choose your preferred payment method. We will demonstrate how to pay using Ultima Freezing. To proceed, check the box confirming that you agree to the payment terms, then click Purchase. A window will open where you will need to enter the address of your Ultima wallet on the Ultima chain for unfreezing. After 3 years, you will be able to request the return of your frozen Ultima coins. Enter your wallet address, check the box to agree to the terms, and click Confirm Purchase. Next, a window will open with a URC20 address where you need to send your Ultima. Send the specified amount. Once the payment is successful, you will see a confirmation message. After this, an equivalent amount of Ultima coins will be frozen in your smart wallet, which will become available for unfreezing after 3 years. Along with the bot license, you also receive a limit for Booster Split 4.0 contracts, which allows you to purchase contract packages on the DeFi-U website. The size of this limit depends on the type of license. The higher the license tier, the higher the limit. Step 2. Funding your crypto exchange balance. To activate the bot, you must fund your exchange balance with the recommended amount. For maximum performance, we recommend to top up your exchange account with an amount 10 times the cost of the license. Please note that the bot will use the entire account balance on the cryptocurrency exchange you selected, not just the amount needed for its operation. This is important. The bot cannot generate profit out of thin air. It uses your funds for trading. Example, if you purchased a license for 220 euros, you must have at least 220 euros in USDT in your exchange balance. You can fund your balance any time after purchasing the license. Reminder, for maximum performance, we recommend funding the exchange with an amount 10 times the license cost. Each bot has a profit limit. Once this limit is reached, the bot will automatically stop working. However, you can always view the statistics of bots that have finished operating to evaluate the results. Step 3. Activating the license and connecting your exchange account to the bot. After making the purchase, you need to activate your bot. To do this, click the Activate Bot button on the screen. You can activate the bot immediately after purchase or anytime later in the My Trade Bots section, as well as through the dashboard. A window will appear prompting you to select an exchange to connect. In this example, we'll demonstrate how to connect to the MEXC exchange. so we select it accordingly. A bot activation window will open. Copy the IP address from the last item. Next, you need to connect your exchange account to the bot. We will show the process for connecting the bot to an exchange using MEXC as an example. Please follow these steps. Log in to your account. Log in to your account on the official MEXC website. Ensure that your MEXC exchange account is funded with the required amount for the bot to operate, and that two-factor authentication is enabled. Fund your balance if necessary. The required funding amount is specified in your license. Go to the API Management section, hover over your avatar in the top right corner, and select API Management from the menu. Note: before creating keys, make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled in your account. To create the keys, follow these steps. Select Main Account in the drop-down menu on the left, then click Create API. Come up with a name for your keys, for example, Ultima Trading. Set the API key permissions in the Permissions section, Spot Trading. Read. Paste the required IP address you copied earlier. Next, the exchange will ask you to confirm this action via two-factor authentication. You'll need to enter the code sent to your registration email and the code from the app. Then click Submit. You will see a message indicating that your keys have been successfully created: Access Key and Secret Key. You'll need both keys for integration. Make sure to copy and save them. Note: the secret key is shown only once, so it is essential to save it. You can always find your access key later in the My API Key section. Important: never share your keys with anyone, as they provide full access to your account. Do not store your keys in public repositories or on open web pages. If you lose your keys or suspect they've been compromised, immediately delete them and create new ones. Now go back to the Ultima Trading website, navigate to the My Trade Bots section, and paste the saved keys into the respective fields. Access key in the Access Key field, and Secret Key in the Secret Key field. Then click Save Data. After saving the keys, click the Integrate button. Done. Your bot has been successfully activated. You'll receive a push notification. In the My Trade Bots section, you will now see which exchange your trading bot is currently connected to. Step 4. Bot Management and Analytics. Make sure you are in the My Trade Bots section. Here you will find detailed information about your bot, including license performance, how much profit, percent, your bot will generate, profit in USDT, the amount of profit in USDT you will earn over the bot's operating period, needed deposit in USDT, the minimum deposit needed for the bot to work correctly, the exchange your bot is currently connected to. Note: you can only connect the bot if your crypto exchange account is funded. If the account is not funded, the system will not allow you to connect the account. Once activated, the bot will start working immediately. You will also have access to the dashboard, the bot management page. To open it, click the dashboard button on the My Trade Bots page. In the dashboard, in the Trade Statistics widget, you will see the following information: the exchange where the bot is currently trading, exchange balance in TPTU and USDT, profit in USDT shown for the day, week, and month, plus the profit percentage from the capital used, the number of open and closed orders made by the bot. Hover over the row to see the percentage of open versus closed orders, the minimum order size, the current license, its performance, and how much profit percentage remains until the license reaches its limit. Below that, you will find a widget showing your exchange balance. This widget displays the minimum, optimal, and most profitable balance level for your account. Reminder: the higher your exchange balance, the greater your profit potential with the bot. We recommend funding your exchange account with an amount several times higher than the recommended minimum for each license. On the right side, there is a widget showing the top 100 most profitable trading bots for different time periods: day, week, and month. Next, in the trading orders section, you will find the entire history of orders executed by the bot. Trading pair, the token the bot is trading. Trade ID, the exchange where the trade was executed and the bot's trade number. Buy, the purchase time and price. Sell, the sale time and price. TPTU, the amount of TPTU purchased. USDT, the amount of USDT spent to buy TPTU. Status, the status of the trade. Profit, the profit the bot earned from the trade. The bot uses multiple advanced strategies and runs them simultaneously to efficiently adapt to various market conditions. Activating and stopping the bot. The bot will continue to operate until it reaches the specified profit limit. You can stop or activate the bot at any time in the My Trade Bots section, or by going directly to the bot's dashboard. Interface of the My Trade Bots section. By clicking the My Trade Bots button on the left, you will go to the main page, where you can see an overview of all your bots. Profit in USDT generated by all your bots for the day, week, and month, number of active and inactive bots, top 100 ranking based on profit among bots of any license. The profit is divided into total, daily, weekly, and monthly. In this guide, we have explained the main principles of how the Ultima Trading bot works. If you have any further questions, you can always contact our support team.